Traders, how are you doing? Welcome to this new live trading session on Pocket Option. Hope you are enjoying this weekend. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you are watching this video on YouTube, on replay, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like this video, and uh, turn on the notification bell to help us with the YouTube algorithm thing. We want to reach 1,000 subscribers on this channel. We started uh, this endeavor lately. So let's get into it. Today we will trade the stochastic oscillator plus the exponential moving average indicator. And I will see if I will test the AI thing. We tested it for 7 days last week. It's a complete disaster, to say the least. Stay away from the AI feature of Pocket Option. It doesn't work. It will only lose you money. It's completely reckless. Highly unrecommended. So let's begin. First, let me show you how to where to find the indicators and to apply them to your chart. So you go to this tab over here. You click on it once. You click on moving average once and stochastic oscillator once. Okay, so you have them both overlaid on your screen. So for the moving average, you go here, you click on the pen, you change the period to 200, and the moving average to exponential moving average EMA. You can also use the simple moving average. The EMA is more sensitive to price data than the simple moving average. Both can be workable, no problem. Color is completely up to you. I'll change it to pink for the ladies. And as for the stochastic oscillator, you also come down here, you click on the pen. We only need to change the K period to 5. And personally, in styles, I like to make the lines thicker, the orange and the blue line. Keep everything the same, the 80 and 20 level, and click Save. So now we have our indicators in place. Of course, we'll be using a 1-minute chart. Let's enable timer, disable auto scroll. As for the expiry, we'll use 3-minute trades. Okay, so now we have everything set up in place and ready to go. So the rules of the strategy are very basic and very simple. First, for you to take buy trades, you need to find a currency pair that is moving below the moving average, the exponential moving average, the EMA. So in this case, whenever you see something going down, we only take buy trades. Whenever the price is above the moving average, like in this case, we take only buy trades. Okay, the trend is your friend. Cheesy but true. Okay, that's the first requirement. Second requirement, we need to see so in this case, we need to go for sells. We need the stochastic oscillator um, to be in an oversold, overbought condition So at least one of the lines has to cross the 80 level over here. And we need to see both lines cross over to the downside so we can take a sell position. 3 minutes. Okay, so these are the rules. For sells, we need the price to be below the moving average, the exponential moving average. We need the stochastic to be in an overbought condition, and we need to see both lines cross in a downwards direction. Okay, so for buy positions, it's the same thing, but the other way around. We need to see the price moving above the EMA. So we only are taking buys in this case. We need to see an oversold stochastic and a clear crossover to the upside. See that? Look here. Both lines cross over and pushing to the upside. So in this case, this is where you would enter a buy trade, 3 minutes. That's a winning trade. Okay. So these are the rules of the strategy. So let's begin. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to hit the live chat. We have a potential sell trade here. So let's wait for, we have our first confirmation. We need the second confirmation as well from the stochastics. So let's wait and see. I need a cross. If you see the two lines of the stochastic, above each other, so tight, hold your horses. Don't go for it. Wait for a clear cross. So let's see how this is gonna close. As a rule of thumb, always trade 1 to 3% of your capital. Don't go more than that. This way in you'll keep your risk in check. So let's see this close over here. Preferably I need the orange line as well to push downwards. 5 seconds. We'll take this one here. See, we have a clean and clear sell indication. Now, as you already know, if you've been watching me for a while, I don't use indicators to trade. I rely on supply-demand areas, price action, liquidity zones. However, I've received a lot of requests to test the strategy, so we are testing it live. So let's see this trade. Let's find something else in the meantime. Okay, we missed this one. Oh, no, actually we should have taken this to the downside, no problem. Let's see something else. This is very premature. Don't take these trades. We need an oversold condition like the situation over here. Let me see this. No, I need a clear trend. This is nice. Let's wait for a cross. 3-minute trades, 1-minute chart. Let's see. We have an oversold condition, overbought condition on the stochastics. The price is below the EMA. We have two confirmations till now. We need the third confirmation, which is a clear cross to the downside from the stochastics upon the closure of this candle. Let's see. Our first position should be a win, so we'll find out. Yes, that's a beautiful push. Nice. So we have our first trade in the money. Beautiful trade. Let's see what's gonna happen here. We have a cross. Still, both lines are a bit still over the 80 level. So I'll wait for this one. In addition, to give you a pro tip, you see this gap. The opening of this candle price was below the previous candle. This indicates that this candle over here is gonna close in green. So I don't take this one. I'll wait for the closing of this one and to see the stochastic clearly pushing downward to take the trade. Rejecting, all right. That's it. We take the trade here. See, we got our clear cross over here. So we took the position. You have the price below the exponential moving average, and we have the crossover. So let's see how it can go. Let's find something else in the meantime. Okay, so here we have a strong demand area. I don't like the movement of the stochastic, so I will discard this one. We have downward momentum. Stochastics are going to the overbought zone. This is a potential trade, so I'll wait for it. Okay, it might not reach the oversold, excuse me, overbought level, so I won't take the trade. Nope, I won't take it. 1 minute left on our Euro Japanese. Till now in the green. This is quite dangerous. I would stay away from this. Okay. See, try to find something like this. Clearly, try to find a clear stochastic moving up and down smoothly. Avoid this kind of a situation. Our Euro Japanese is in the money as well. Beautiful. So we have 2 out of 2 till now winning trade using the strategy. 20 points and 81 points. Love it. As I told you, I avoid that kind of situations. Going for a buy in this case, even though the price is above the EMA, is not very smart. As you can see, we have the pair is not able to do higher highs. Okay, so we have weakness from the buyers, so we avoid this pair. This was a nice setup over here. This is the cross. 1, 2, 3. It's a winning trade. Let's find something else. This is nice. Just on time. Huge buyer's momentum. The price is above the EMA. The stochastic is in the oversold position, waiting to cross to the upside. So wait for it. Oops. It's already starting to cross. I prefer to see a strong green close. It's not gonna happen. So we're gonna see the two lines tight at the next candle. See? Too tight. And now, if this bullish candle closes strongly in green, we will take the trade to the upside. See? Powerful momentum. The pair is making higher highs and higher lows. So we have all the confirmations in place. I still need stochastic to give me a go signal. I don't think it's gonna. Yes, it will do it, most probably. That's it, I'll go for it. Even though I would have preferred a strong green candle, I would also prefer to see the orange line above the 20 line. However, I'll take it for the sake of, educating ourselves. So let's see. This is also nice. If it closes anywhere here, I'll take it. The moving average is serving as a support zone. Come on, yes, I'll take it. So we have two running trades. Nice. Euro HUF is doing perfect. If we can get a strong, if this candle keeps on going strong and closes strong in green, we have a 60% chance of closing it in the money. Remember, we still have 2 minutes left. A close above this area is nice. Our first trade also is doing great. Let me see. Okay, it's doing fine. Perfect. Here we have a rejection from this zone. This is gonna be a winning trade for sure. The USD DZD. Euro HUF, if we get a gap down on the next candle, it might be nice. So up to this point, we have 3 winning trades. The fourth is still playing out, so let's see. This is gonna be a loss. Let's look for another opportunity. This is also nice. We have a support, we have a resistance line over here. We have the EMA. So I'll wait. Usually when you have such an area, it's called a liquidity grab. So see this additional push over here in Forex, you might see it go to this zone. It takes out all the stop losses and keeps on going down. I'll take this one, clear indication. So we have all the rules met. We have the price below the EMA. We have strong demand and resistance area, a clear cross from the stochastics. So we took the trade to the downside for 2 minutes. Till now, we have 3 out of 4 winning trades, which is quite decent. If you can get this one as well, we'll have 4 out of 5. At this point, you should stop trading for the day. You should call it a day and go back to your daily lives. Because the more you are trading, the more time you are exposed to the market, you will definitely lose because the market by nature is always against you. So let's see this one. One minute and a half left. We took this trade exactly at the crossover of the stochastic over here. The price is below the 200 EMA. And we have a strong support zone, resistance zone over here. Let's see. I'm not very optimistic about it. Let's look for another opportunity. This is nice. Beautiful downward momentum, price below the EMA, stochastic is oversold. We have a strong supply zone nearby. The USD Swiss franc was a loss, so you have 3 wins, 2 losses till now. We're waiting for this setup to give us to pull the trigger on this one. Come on. Not enough for me to enter the trade for 2 reasons. One, both the stochastic lines are still above the 80 level, and this candle has a gap down. A gap down after a red candle means we will likely see a green candle over here. So I won't take this one. I need a clear stochastic cross to the downside, preferably both lines. And I would love to see a strong red candle forming as well. Let's see. This is nice. Nope. That's it. I'll go for it. So we have all the rules mapped for us to take the trade. You have here a clear, both lines crossing below the 80 level, pushing to the downside, and we have the price below the EMA, plus we have a clear downtrend happening over here. In addition to a resistance line here as well. So we did all the homework to the letter. We only have to see how it will unfold. We need a decent red candle, that's it. However, if we get a red candle here, we are safe, most probably. Stochastic is beautifully pushing down. Nice, it's rejecting from the resistance line over there. Keep on pushing. Yes, we need a decent push downwards. That's it. Come on, that's it. Okay, let's see the opening right now. 1 minute left. Nice, it has a slight gap up, which is nice. I love it. Okay, this is doing perfect. 30 seconds left. 15. Nice, beautiful. Come on, no last second surprises. And that's a win. So at this point, we have 4 out of 6 winning trades. This means we have a 67% win rate, which is very decent. Okay, we made 3.14% ROI for now. The best practice if you are trading using real money accounts, at this point you should stop and come back for another session at least 4 to 5 hours after this one or the next day. Okay, so you might say only 6 trades. Well, yes, 6 trades. In this case, we made 3% on $100 account. On a $1,000 account, that's $30. On a $10,000 account, that's $300. So let's say on $1,000 account, $30, multiply it by 10 days, that's 300, 20 days, 600, and you can make 750 if you trade 25 days per month, which is fantastic. You know, who gives you a 75% ROI in 25 days? No one and nothing except trading binary options, forex, gold, or stocks. These things. However, since we are trading the tournament, I'll keep on trading. We'll take we'll take a 10 minutes break and we'll come back. When we come back, I will trade high frequency trades based on supply demand areas, 1 minute expiry maximum. I will also make use of gaps. So stay tuned. Let's take a 10-minute break and we will be back. Okay, traders, we're back. So the first 30 minutes we took 6 trades using the stochastic oscillator and the EMA strategy, which landed us 4 winning trades out of 6, which is fantastic. At this point, you should stop trading, go back the next day with a fresh pair of eyes. Okay, so now let's change our strategy. I will remove stochastic, I will also remove the EMA. And now we will be using high frequency trades, mostly trading with higher amounts as well. Since we are trading the tournament and we don't have much time, we need to reach the highest position possible. So this is the only way you're gonna go for it. So let's see here. Let's switch to 1 minute time offset. +1. These are gonna be zeros. So that's it. This usually when you see a doji of this kind, this is a reversal doji. Let me see the opening. I'll be aggressive from now on. We have a gap up. I'll take a sell. If it goes back up, I'll take 2 more. Let's see if we're gonna have a doji break. Nope, rejected from the doji level. I'll take a rejection one here. Let's see. Beautiful. Come on. Beautiful. 2 trades. Let's find another pair. I need something with high payout. Let me refresh this thing. It's dodgy. Okay, let me check on this. We have push to the downside. We have a support line here that was broken. Support that became resistance. Still rejecting out of it. I'll take this for a sell if it gives me a little bit of a safety margin to the upside. Come on, a little bit more. Let's see. We also have a common rejection point here that we can use. Beautiful. I'll take it. See that? Fantastic. Love the markets, guys. Come on. I'll get two more. Nice. Keep on going. Beautiful. That's gonna be a win. It's an engulfing Marubozu bearish candle. I'll take a sell here. The higher it goes, the better. I'll take two or three more on it. Two more. Let me see this common rejection area down there. See that? We have a common rejection area. Nope, nope. Hey, come on. Okay, nice, beautiful. Come on. That's it. That's a buy support. Huge gap to the downside. If it reaches this zone, I'll take three. Two more. Two more. If it goes further down, I'll take five. Beautiful. Come on, I love it. Hope it stays like that. No, that's impossible. Yes, yes, all right. Come on, a little bit more. No problem. Take a sell since it broke out. Take three more. More. We have a clean gap up, the strong bearish momentum, so I allowed myself this kind of aggressive behavior since we are on the tournament. Don't do this with real money accounts. I wanted to stay down there. Come on. 8 seconds left. Yes. That's unfair. Seriously, that's unfair. That's completely unfair. I mean, that kind of a gap, it should have rejected, powerfully rejected over here. And also the gap over here, along with this very powerful demand zone, this should have rejected from this area. Anyways, let's continue. Let's change the pair. Let me see these zero levels here. We have zero level here. I'll go even more aggressive on this one. So we either stay in the game or we get out. I have a supply area here in addition to two zeros level, the price 400. Yes, I'll take a rejection to the downside, depending on the opening of the next candle. We'll take one here. If it goes up, I'll go full power on it. Two more. Usually, I advise you not to trade on weekends. The OTC market on weekends is very unstable. However, since we are using the tournament to show you whatever we are doing, so it's fine. Use the weekend to train yourself to do more education, trading education. So we took these rejection trades out of this powerful supply zone. Let's see the opening of the next candle. That's nice. I'll take it. I'll take two, three more. I'll go a bit aggressive if it goes back up. Come on, give me more. So now we are using high frequency trades. We are being very aggressive. Do not use this kind of trading using real money accounts. Never at all. We'll win two, I think. Come on. That's a win. Beautiful. I take a buy here. Since we have this huge gap down after a green candle, I'll take two more. Let me see. I'll take additional trades if it goes further down. Okay. Come on. I'll take two here. That's complete rubbish. Come on. That huge of a gap. Another gap. It's impossible. A gap down after a red candle, it should reject to the upside. And here a gap down after a green candle, it should be going up. If you have any questions, this is the time. Since we are closing in on the end of this live stream. More than happy to answer all your questions. You can use the live chat box. So, complete nonsense. This is why I hate weekends. Complete nonsense. The market moves in such a weird way, which is normal because there's no, there's no volume enough to regulate how the market is moving. And since it's OTC, so we don't know where is this price data coming from. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, I'll give you 5 minutes. If you are still watching us on replay, you can ask us anything you like in the comments box. So we started this session by testing a strategy that has the stochastic oscillator and the exponential moving average EMA. We closed 4 winning trades out of 6, 67% win rate. On a usual day, if you are trading with your real money account, you should stop at this point. So, which is a very decent amount, by the way. You need 54% win rate to be making money in binary options. So 67% is very decent. Don't be fooled by those fake bullshit gurus over YouTube and Telegram that claim to have daily, consistent daily more than 90% win rate. This is complete rubbish. It's not going to happen every day. Might happen a day or 2 days, yes, but every single day, it's impossible. Get this through your heads. Okay, so 1 more minute for your questions. Okay.